Welcome to Reward Hospitality, Australia's leading hospitality distributor. Today we are going to show you just how easy it is to create a My Favourites list on our online ordering platform. Firstly, go to rewardhospitality.com.au. Once you're on our website, select the Register/Login button at the top right hand side of the screen. Once selected, a pop-up will appear asking you to log in or register. If you already have an account, please input your register email address and password. If you don't have an account, please select Shopping for Home or Shopping for Business and follow the registration prompts. Once you have logged in, you will be presented with the homepage of our website. However, up the top you will see an additional feature called Dashboard. If you hover over Dashboard with your mouse, you will see there are loads of great features within Dashboard. Today we're going to focus on the first feature though, My Favourites. My Favourites is your own personal shopping list that houses as many products as you desire. It can be used to house your wish list items, or to simply flag items you regularly purchase, such as consumables like napkins or toilet paper. To add to your My Favourites list is very easy. Simply browse through our extensive product range, and when you find something you like, select the Add to Favourites button. For example, I really like the texture of these brand new icon plates, but I'm not quite ready to add them to my cart yet. So, I can either select the Add to Favourites button that is located to the bottom of the product on the product listing page, or to the right of the product on the individual product page. Easy! As you can see, once the Add to Favourites button is selected, it will turn orange to signify this item has been saved into My Favourites. And if I navigate back to my dashboard and then onto My Favourites, I can see the item is saved into My Favourites list. Easy! Thank you for watching our video on how to add a product to your My Favourites list. We hope you enjoy all the great features in our online ordering platform. And of course, if you need any help or you would like more information about our ordering platform, don't hesitate to contact us on 1800 473 927 or email customerservice@rewardh.com.au. Happy shopping!